Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Tapswap Listing Date announced. Your guide to airdrop rewards and how to qualify. Tapswap, the immensely popular tap to earn game with millions of fans worldwide, is making headlines once again. The crypto gaming community is abuzz with excitement as hints about the game's highly anticipated listing have started to surface. As the potential listing date approaches, players are preparing for a golden opportunity: exclusive airdrop rewards. This could be your chance to claim your share of the action, but it's important to act fast and understand what's required to qualify. Here's everything you need to know to secure your spot and make the most of this event. What is Tapswap? For those new to the game, Tapswap is a revolutionary tap-to-earn mobile game that blends engaging gameplay with blockchain technology. Players earn rewards by tapping, completing tasks, and climbing the ranks in competitive leagues. Its unique economy is powered by blocks, which can be earned through various activities and converted into valuable rewards. With its user-friendly approach to crypto gaming, Tapswap has built a massive player base, and its upcoming listing is set to take the game to the next level. How to qualify for the Tapswap Airdrop. The Tapswap Airdrop isn't just about playing the game, it's about showing your dedication and engagement. To qualify, you'll need to focus on specific activities that demonstrate your commitment. Let's break them down. 1. Tap, tap, tap. Tapping is at the core of Tapswap's gameplay. The more you tap, the higher your activity level. Your tapping activity directly impacts your eligibility for the airdrop, so don't hold back. Every tap counts. 2. Share your achievements. Sharing is key to building visibility in the Tapswap community. Post your in-game achievements, updates, and milestones on social media or within the game's community. This not only shows your enthusiasm but also positions you as a valuable player. 3. Compete in leagues. Leagues are where the real competition happens. By participating and advancing through leagues, you prove your dedication to the game. Higher league placements often translate to greater rewards, so aim to climb as high as you can. 4. Complete Tappy Town achievements. Tappy Town is one of Tapswap's standout features. It's filled with challenges and goals that you can complete to boost your activity score. Focus on unlocking as many achievements as possible to stand out. 5. Stay on top of tasks. Daily and weekly tasks are designed to keep players engaged. By completing these regularly, you show consistent activity, which improves your chances of qualifying for the airdrop. 6. Earn blocks. Blocks are a key metric of your in-game engagement. Earn them through gameplay activities like tapping, tasks, and league competitions. The more blocks you collect, the stronger your case for airdrop eligibility. Connect your wallet, a must-do step. Before you can claim any rewards, you'll need to connect your wallet to the game. This step links your in-game progress to your digital wallet, making you eligible for rewards and airdrops. Here's why it's essential. Security ensures your game data and earnings are safe and verifiable. Eligibility confirms your participation in the airdrop. Payouts enables you to receive rewards directly in your wallet. To connect your wallet, simply follow the instructions within the game's settings menu. It's a quick and easy process that you don't want to miss. Tips to maximize your rewards. If you're serious about earning from Tapswap, here are a few tips to help you get ahead. Stay consistent. Make tapping, sharing, and task completion a daily habit. Consistency is often rewarded. Focus on high-impact activities. Prioritize leagues and Tappy Town achievements, as they contribute significantly to your activity level. Engage with the community. Participate in community events and discussions to stay informed and connected. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your stats and compare them to other players. Adjust your strategy to stay competitive. Why the Tapswap listing matters. The upcoming Tapswap listing is a major milestone for the game and its players. A listing typically means increased visibility, higher demand for in-game assets, and greater opportunities for players to benefit. This is your chance to be part of a growing ecosystem and potentially earn big rewards as the game's popularity soars. Stay tuned for official updates. Tapswap's team is expected to release more details about the listing and airdrop soon. Make sure you're following the game's official channels so you don't miss any announcements. Final thoughts. The Tapswap listing is more than just a milestone, it's an opportunity to reap the rewards of your dedication. By tapping, sharing, completing tasks, and connecting your wallet, you can position yourself for success in this exciting event. Don't wait. Start ramping up your activity now, and get ready to claim your spot in Tapswap's growing legacy.